Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a document in Google Drive. But before that, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First, we have to open up Google Drive. And here it opens up in the suggested tab. From here we just tap on the plus icon in the bottom right corner and then tap on Google Docs. And here it's going to create a new untitled document that we can edit afterwards. And yeah, we can just tap on OK and exit it, and it's going to show here as the newest document at the top. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.